हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल में। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं यहाँ पे बात करने वाला हूँ टेट एग्ज़ाम के बारे में। ठीक है, जो टीईटी है, यहाँ पे टीचर एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट के बारे में यहाँ पे जो इम्पॉर्टेंट जजमेंट आई है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ से, ये जजमेंट यहाँ पे मैं आपको यहाँ पे सुनाने वाला हूँ। ये आप जजमेंट यहाँ पे आप पूरे की पूरी यहाँ पे सुनना। और ये यहाँ पे जो टेट का एग्ज़ाम है, ये यहाँ पे इन सर्विस कैंडिडेट के लिए यहाँ पे कितना ज़रूरी है, इस यहाँ पे आप वीडियो में यहाँ पे आप देखोगे। तो ये यहाँ पे आप आखिर तक यहाँ पे इस वीडियो को देखना है। ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ
Now, on the second aspect of order on applicability of the TET to in-service teachers, we have held in clear terms that those aspiring for appointment and those in-service teachers aspiring for appointment by promotion must, however, qualify the TET, or else they would have no right of consideration of their candidature. But at the same time, we have kept in view the ground realities and the practical challenges. And this is where we have issued certain directions under Article 142. There are in-service teachers who were recruited much prior to the advent of the RTE Act and who might have put in more than 2 or even 3 decades of service. They have been imparting education to their students to the best of their ability without any serious complaint. It is not that the students who have been imparted education by the non-TET qualified teachers have not shown in life. To dislodge such teachers from service on the ground that they have not qualified the TET would seem to be a bit harsh, although we are alive to the settled legal position that operation of a statute can never be seen as an evil. Bearing in mind their predicament, we invoke 142 and direct that those teachers who have less than 5 years service left as on date may continue in service till they attain the age of superannuation without qualifying the TET. However, we make it clear that if any such teacher having less than 5 years service left aspires for promotion, he will not be considered eligible without he having qualified the TET. Insofar as in-service teachers recruited prior to enactment of the RTE Act and having more than 5 years to retire on superannuation are concerned, they shall be under an obligation to qualify the TET within 2 years from date in order to continue in service. If any of such teachers fail to qualify the TET within the time that we have allowed, they shall have to quit service. They may be compulsorily retired and paid whatever terminal benefits they are entitled to. We add a rider that to qualify for the terminal benefits, such teachers must have put in the qualifying period of service in accordance with the rules. If any teacher has not put in the qualifying service and there is some deficiency, his case may be considered by the appropriate department in the government upon a representation being made by him. With the aforesaid modification of the impugned judgments and orders, there are several appeals which have been disposed of on the above terms. These are civil appeals 1389.